We've had a lovely time. Everybody's so friendly, and they all want to take a picture of us, which is lovely. Cricket's been amazing.
Well, yeah, yesterday we did a city tour and went up to the mountain to an amazing restaurant up in the hills, which was quite special.
Security seems very tight, and I feel very safe, and it's a real pleasure to be here. So I'm really looking forward to the next couple of days.
Oh, look, it's fantastic. You know, you've got every walk of life present, and you've got a good hustle and bustle.
Electric atmosphere, exhilarating stuff. Waiting for it to fill up completely, but it's a good crowd. Obviously, my perception, obviously, it's they've been going through a difficult time. This is the first test in 17 years. More and more sport has been coming to the country, but honestly, on first impressions, it's a beautiful country.
Interestingly, in Islamabad, there's not that many people. It's not as busy as I thought. I didn't expect so much building to be done. I'm a builder. There's a lot of building around the airport. I expected it to be not as modern as it is. I went to your fantastic mosque. I forget what it's called now. What a place! What a place!
And there's a bazaar that was laid on, a week thing with lots of local produce being sold, lots of produce from all around different parts of Pakistan. Lots of music being played, fire eaters blowing smoke type of thing, and that was really interesting. We didn't anticipate that type of thing to happen. And everybody was really friendly, and lots of people wanted to take selfies, which was a little bit on the strange side, but that's okay. And we also went to the mosque, the largest mosque in this part of the world, which was quite special. The architecture was quite different to other ones, we seem to feel.
The fans are impassioned, the fans are supportive, and it's fantastic to see everyone getting behind our boys. I got to say the safety has been fantastic. A lot of checks to ensure the safety both of the people who are coming to the stadium to watch the game and also the players.